Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York with the very last part 9 of our multi-part Central Park series. I hope you enjoyed the series so far. Today we're going to be in the northeastern section of the park on the Harlem border. We're going to visit the Lasker Pool or the Lasker Skating Rink, depending upon the time you're there. We're going to walk past the Harlem Meer where there is fishing allowed. They actually have tournaments there. And we're going to go past the Vanderbilt Gates, which is on Fifth Avenue, and we're going to go through those gates and enter the Conservatory Garden. The Conservatory Garden actually features 3 gardens, the northern one being the French Garden, the center one being the Italian Garden, and the southern one being the English Garden. So whether you're a botanist, a serious gardener, or just someone who likes pretty flowers and fountains and things like that, I think you'll really appreciate this video.
Por eso le están entrando por la mesa.
I had already like seen the show. Joe, hold up.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Well, folks, that's pretty much it for all of Central Park. Or is it? While I've taken you guys on a nice walk throughout the entire park, of course there's places that I've missed and all the reason to come back and explore some more. As I said in earlier episodes, the tourist area of Central Park and the most heavily traveled or heavily walked areas of Central Park are down south, Southern Park. We ended up here in the northern end of the park, probably one of the more beautiful areas of the park, and not visited too much by tourists, usually just locals and people who really appreciate the park and call it their own. This 9-part series was taped in the summer, but the park is equally beautiful all year round, some say even more beautiful in the fall and spring, and after a fresh snowfall, nothing like Central Park. As I've stated in earlier episodes, the park is pretty much my favorite place on earth, and they actually have a program where they'll name a park bench after you. They put a little bronze plaque on the park bench. It's very expensive, but someday, just someday, before I go into that big park in the sky, I'd like to have a Jeff from New York bench here named after me in Central Park. Gotta start saving up now, though. Well, guys, thanks for coming along on this pretty long walk. If you put these videos together, it's well over 2 hours. I appreciate you coming along. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Again, one of my favorite places on earth. Thanks for coming along, and as I always say, I'll see you around the city.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.